Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we will do the exercise of unit air. If you look at your booklet on page number 89, there are activities of this unit, and the first question is answer the following questions. So A part is, what is the atmosphere made up of? Now, as I have explained you that there is a thick layer of air which surrounds the earth like a thick blanket, and this layer of air is called atmosphere. So you will write that the thick layer of, you will write the answer like this, that the thick layer of air which surrounds the earth like a thick blanket is called atmosphere. Which living things add oxygen to the atmosphere? Now, as I have explained you that the plants, when they prepare their food during the process of photosynthesis, they give out oxygen gas. So we will write plants give out oxygen which is being used by the animals and humans. Or you can write like this, that the plants give out oxygen or add oxygen to the atmosphere. The plants add oxygen to the atmosphere. C part is, how is carbon dioxide added to the air? I have explained you in the lesson that animals and human beings give out carbon dioxide which is being used by plants. When animals and human beings breathe, they inhale or take in oxygen gas and give out or exhale carbon dioxide. So animals and human beings add carbon dioxide gas to the air. Next question is, what is air pressure? The air is pressing down all the things, and the way air presses down is called air pressure. The air is pressing or exerting pressure on all the things, and the way in which the air presses down is called air pressure. E part is, describe an experiment that proves that air has weight. So you will if you see in your book on page number 33, there is an experiment which shows that air has weight. This experiment is, weigh an empty balloon. Now fill the balloon with air and weigh it again. You will see that the balloon with air in it weighs more than the empty balloon. This shows that air has weight. So this is the experiment. You can do it at your home, and you will have to write this experiment in the answer of question of part E. Then question number 2 is, fill in the blanks to complete the statements. A part is, the layer of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere. B part is, the atmosphere is more than dash kilometers deep, is more than 1000 kilometers deep. In the blank you will write 1000. C part is, all living things breathe out dash gas. All living things breathe out oxygen gas. You will write oxygen in the blank. D part is, in summer the air is dash. In summer the air is lighter, because in summer the air is hot, and you know the hot air is lighter and it always rises up. E part is, in the rainy season the air contains a lot of moisture. F is, warm air is lighter than cold air. In the blank you will write cold. G part is, moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. A light wind is called a breeze. You will write breeze in the blank of part H. I is a dash is a strong wind. A gale is a strong wind. J part is a dash is the strongest wind. A hurricane is a strongest wind. In the blank you will write hurricane. Then third question is draw and label a diagram to show that air exerts pressure. I have given you in your booklet a diagram in which the heading is air exerts pressure. Experiment showing air exerts pressure. You have to draw the diagram and you can also label it that first we will heat the cane, then after heating it we will remove it from the fire and we will put cold air on the cane. So you have to label it. Then fourth question is draw and name the instruments used. First to measure air pressure, second tells about the speed of wind, and third tells the direction of the wind. So the first you will draw barometer, and barometer is an instrument which is used to measure air pressure. Then you will draw anemometer, and anemometer is an instrument used to measure the speed of the wind. And third you will draw wind vane, which is an instrument used to find the direction of the wind. So you'll have to draw these three instruments in this empty space. I have given you some space for drawing these instruments. I hope now you can do the exercise easily, and still if you have any problem you can ask me on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.